Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Ember Lily in Grow a Garden. Alright, let's begin. With the latest update in Grow a Garden, Ember Lily seeds are no longer available in the seed shop, but that doesn't mean they're unobtainable. Ember Lily is a prismatic tier seed, and there are still a few ways to get it. First, pets like the dog can randomly dig up prismatic seeds from your garden, and pets like the red fox may steal Ember Lily seeds from other players' gardens. While these chances are rare, they are still possible through passive gameplay. Another method is through the Summer Harvest event. Head over to the Summer Harvest Rewards section and scroll through the milestones. At the Prismatic Reward level, which requires 14,000 harvest points, there's a chance to receive an Ember Lily seed. It's important to note that even after reaching the prismatic tier, the seed is not guaranteed. It's one of several possible rewards at that level. If you don't reach the prismatic milestone, your chance of receiving the seed is 0. So if you're aiming for Ember Lily, make sure to participate in the harvest events and collect as many points as possible. So that's basically how you can get Ember Lily in Grow a Garden. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.